In today's video, we're going to find the difference of the new ASUS Zenfone 10 to its predecessor, the Zenfone 9. The Zenfone 10 has just been announced, so it will get the point. The Zenfone 9 is thinner, so it will get the point. Once again, the Zenfone 9 is lighter, so it will get the point. Both has the same build, so both phones will get the point. The new Zenfone 10 has a faster refresh rate, so it will get the point. Both phones have similar specifications, so both phones will get a point. The Zenfone 10 has the latest Android out of the box, so it will get the point. The Zenfone 10 has a better chipset, so it will win this category. The Zenfone 10 has a better storage type and offers more storage, so the Zenfone 10 wins. The Zenfone 10 has a better ultra-wide camera, so it will win. The Zenfone 10 has a higher camera resolution, so it will also win. The Zenfone 10 has a wireless charging support, so it will win this round. The Zenfone 10 has more colors available, so it will get a point. Both has a similar price range, yet the Zenfone 10 is better. Overall, the Zenfone 10 is better than the Zenfone 9. However, if you have the Zenfone 9, do not upgrade yet because it has a minimal differences not worth of an upgrade. If you are looking for a compact phone, the Zenfone 10 is what you are looking for. So this is where the video ends. Hope you subscribe to my channel and like this video for more content.